Hey YouTube fam, I'm coming on real quick to do this unboxing and I'm really excited. I don't have much time on my little break. It's not a Coach handbag and it is not a Dooney and Burke bag. It is not a Mulberry bag. So I purchased this bag from the RealReal, and this bag used to be on YouTube and Instagram, very popular. Oh, I love the the box. I don't know if you guys, oh yeah, it is gorgeous. A nice gray ribbon, and I guess this is my information. And for this bag I paid $260 for, and I wanted this bag when it was popular a few years ago. I think it came out, what? It's been a while, almost 10 years. And at the time it was not on my budget. Alright. Now we got this dust bag here. It says RealReal. And a black bag. And on here it says Alexander Wang. If you can see, it was so dark. Oh my gosh, they're like double bagged. And then there's another white dust bag. Again, it says Alexander Wang on it. And oh my gosh. So I got my first Alexander Wang Rocco. And this is in the color peppermint, or is it mint? And oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. People used to be all like, talking about how heavy the thing is. It really doesn't seem heavy to me. I must carry heavy bags. To me, this is gorgeous. The pebbling. And the best part about the Rocco is that hardware studs. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So I'll go to further detail and review of it, but I have to get back to work. And she is gorgeous. I'm so happy about this bag. Yeah, so I'll come back on here. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing.